Please tell me your name.
Sir, I am Reshma Parida.
Okay, and do you remember your roll number for this exam?
Yes, sir. My roll number is 304226.
Okay, so now give me a formal introduction.
So my name is Reshma Parida.
Now, formal introduction से जो दिया हुआ
Okay, sir.
नाम कुआवनी और डोमिसाइल कुआवनी लास्ट टाइम डोमिसाइल कुआवनी माना करते देखिए जब से डोमिसाइल कहिबे ना तो टोटली कुआवनी आपनकर जो डोमिसाइल टा जब से माने कहिबे कुहंतुनी ताले कहिबे नॉट यू कैन स्टार्ट फ्रॉम दैट ओके बट चारिटा कंपलसरी कंपोनेंट हबो फर्स्ट हैला आपनकर basically current or current माने highest qualification
Okay,
पूरा लगा कर हम 10th डिग्री करते 12th डिग्री करते आए थे अपन जो पीएचडी करूचंदी कि
Okay,
अपन
sir.
एमएससी करचंदी तो सेटा करे एमएससी मु करची रे ओके सेटा नंबर 1 सेकंड हैला करंट स्टेटस मु एबे कोन करूची प्रिपरेशन करूची कि जॉब करूची कि रिसर्चर अछि जाय सेकंड पॉइंट
Yes.
थर्ड पॉइंट रे हॉबीज माय हॉबीज रे और फोर्थ पॉइंट है ना अचीवमेंट्स यही चलता नथिंग अबाउट फैमिली एक्सेट्रा सेटा जदी से माने पचारे इफ दे आस्क which one so
Okay, sir.
give me a formal introduction.
Yes, sir. Sir, I have a doubt. Sir, if in achievements, sir, can we write about any kind of special scholarship that we have received?
No, of course that is an academic achievement ଯଦି ଆପଣ scholarship ମିଳିଛି ଗୋଟେ particular କୋड जो domain में scholarship ମିଳିଛି ସେ
Yes, sir.
achievement ठीक
In
है
academics, sir. Yes, sir.
of course scholarship is a good achievement.
Yes, sir. So should I start?
Yeah, please.
I have done my post graduation in MSc Forestry. Currently, I am preparing for competitive exams. My hobbies are gardening and dancing. My achievements are I am gold medalist in MSc Forestry, and I am a recipient of Merit Scholarship, and I have been awarded as my school topper for the batch 2012.
Okay, fine. So, tell me something about your home district.
My home district is Puri, which is a seaside town located in Odisha. It is dotted with magnificently built temples and monuments such as Jagannath Temple, Konark Temple, Ramchandi Temple, Loknath Temple, and Gundicha Temple, and Ma Mongla Kakatpur Temple. And it has beautiful beaches which serve as main attraction for the tourist, such as Chandrabhaga Beach and Golden Beach.
Chandrabhaga Beach and Golden Beach. Tell me something about the forest resources in your district.
So the main forest vegetation comprises main forest where type found is moist peninsular low sal forest,
Okay.
in which overwood species mainly are Shorea robusta, Casuarina equisetifolia, and Eucalyptus terticornis, along with Ajaradicta indica and Pongamia pinnata, and various herbs and shrubs such as Calotropis, Cantharanthus roseus, and many more.
Okay. तो आपनकर आई मूवमेंट में बहुत फ्लिकर करूछ आपन कैमरा को देखंतुनी
Sorry, sir.
ठीक है आ जो माने बसी दिले साइड रे तो जे क्वेश्चन पचरे ताको मैक्सिमम टाइम एड्रेस करबे आ बाकी टाइम रे सेमानो भी देखि से दी जणा तीन जणा जे भी थी
Okay, sir.
आपनकर को दिन अछि एक माने पैनल इंटरव्यू
So 5th and 6th.
5th and 6th.
Yes, sir.
ओके तो मोस्टली 5th and 6th ଭିତରେ ଗୋଟେ ଦିନ କୋ ଦିନ ଗୋଟେ 4 मेंबर पैनल भी ଥିଲେ तो
Yes, sir.
देखिया पड़ियो समस्त राइट जे क्वेश्चन पचरछथि नो डाउट ताको मैक्सिमम टाइम देखबे बट अदर्स आल्सो यू हैव टू ओके सेटा देखियो
Yes.
सेमाने आपन न देखि पारन
Yes.
आपन ताको आखि देखिया अछि
Again, sir.
सेमाने कोन पढुथिबे कि जे उतर कथा बतबे कि व्हाटएवर वी आर नॉट कंसर्न सेमाने कोन
Yes.
आमे इंटरव्यू रूम रे पसिला बेलू बाहर भीतर लाइन ऑफ आई साइट ओनली आईज नथिंग
Yes.
ठीक है
Yes.
ओके फाइन सो आउट आंसर व्हाट आर द मेजर ट्रीज आपण सब तार साइंटिफिक नेम्स उडा कहले
Yes.
साल ओके दैट इज साइंटिफिक नेम फर्स्ट कॉमन नेम टा कहले तापर साइंटिफिक नेम कहले
Yes.
जीते जाको कहले
Yes.
right okay fine so you give me some good reasons why you are interested in forest service.
Sir, there are many reasons that it has attracted me as a job for a job opportunity. As primarily forest, I have been very passionate about nature, and secondly, forest department serves at the right position for wildlife conservation, forest protection, and for uplifting the tribal community.
Okay. So, एगुड़ा आपण जो कहले आइडियलिस्टिक जिंस ठीक अछि किंतु रियलिस्टिक जिंस भी कहबार अछि जॉब सिक्योरिटी ओके तापरे वेरी गुड कंपनसेशन किंबा सर्विस कंडीशंस एंड कंपनसेशन सेटा भी ऐड करियर अछि से माने तांको दरकार समवन हु इज बेसिकली क्लियर एंड यू नो तो यू आर इफ यू वांट टू डू गुड फॉर द ट्राइबल्स आपण सोशल वर्कर ही करी ठीक अछि बट सेटा इंक्लूड करी किछ असुविधा नहीं जोडा कि मोर फिलोसॉफिकल मोर आइडियलिस्टिक बट रियलिस्टिक पॉइंट्स उडा भी करी
Yes.
सोशल प्रेस्टीज हला कि चाइल्डहुड ड्रीम हला जोडा कि गोटे इमोशनल अटैचमेंट आपण जो थिबो पेरेंट्स तो भी हे करे सेटा गोटे ड्रीम ठीक अछि कुछ कर दो सो what are the major issues or problems that you find in your district specific to your district?
The problems generally faced in my district are the first and foremost is that Puri is every year affected by climatic events such as cyclone, drought, flood, and secondly the heavy population, and third would be illegal construction and unplanned development activities that are being taken place around Jagannath temple and Gundicha temple.
Okay, last point you said is something we need to talk about. So there was some people are not happy regarding the encroachment and even the sale of certain property of a rest house for the poor pilgrims. Before 6-7 months it was done. The district administration basically has given that land on a settlement scheme to the some private people. Do you know about that?
Sorry sir, I don't know.
It had been देखिए because सेटा बहुत ही okay.
Yes sir.
Right. So, tell me something about the political, geography of your district. Means which are the neighboring districts?
So the neighboring districts are Khurda, Ganjam, and Nayagarh.
So, एटा जितना तुम पहुँचते,
Yes.
you can also specify the directions.
Yes,
State
sir.
district का north वाला जेटा south वाला जेटा, okay,
Yes, sir.
Okay. What are the famous water bodies in your district? Any waterfall or any famous lake, etc.?
There are many famous tanks such as Indra Yamuna tank, Narendra tank located near the vicinity of Loknath temple.
Okay. So, if I would ask you to tell me the 3 top tourist places in your district, what will you rank apart from the temples? Not the temples, apart from the temples.
So apart from temples, the places of other places of interest are Nuanai Nature Camp and eco retreat near Chandrabhaga Beach, and mangrove forest in Gopala block near Astranga Beach.
Okay. So now coming to your birth date, okay, without telling me the year of birth, just tell me your month and date of birth.
So
Month and day, only month and day.
so it's on 23rd May.
23rd
May.
Why that date is important?
So the date 23rd May is significant and is important and is worldwide celebrated as World Turtle Day, which is for generating awareness for protection and conservation of the turtle species found all over the world.
Okay. Now going to your education. From where did you do your schooling? Which school?
Sir, I did my schooling from Devi Public School, Puri, and 12th from Kendra Vidyalaya, Puri.
12 from KVD. So, tell me something about your school, that is Kendra Vidyalaya. It's a huge chain of schools. So, what is the motto and what is, the main objective of this school? And where you have got branches and all? How many schools are there in India, etc.?
So, sir, I'm not aware about the number of schools. So, but Kendra Vidyalaya school comes under the Kendra Vidyalaya Sangathan, which is established mainly for the for the children of the personnel serving in for central department, where they are subjected to transfers and which further hampers the education of their children. So, in order to bring stabilization and continuity in their education, and that they get quality education, it is established. The Kendra Vidyalayas are established all over India, where they can get easily transferred, and there is no hampering of their education. And Kendra Vidyalaya Puri motto is Tattvam Purusum Adhyavan, which basically means that which basically stands for that we pray to the Lord, so that the dharma and the truth comes in front of us, and we are aware how to lead a noble life.
Okay. So currently tell me 2 or 3 schemes or developments or reforms which the government has brought about in Puri.
So for Puri, so regarding forest or in general?
Any forest in general regarding our Jagannath temple.
So for particularly Puri, I am not aware of.
Okay.
All over Odisha.
Okay, fine. Have you heard about the Balaram scheme?
No, sir.
Of government of Odisha?
No, sir.
Kaliya scheme?
So for education?
Kaliya scheme?
No, sir.
Okay. You talk about education? So you know about the new education policy? Tell me something about that.
New education. So, so the amendment has been the education policy has been reformed so that for children it could be made more flexible, and it has basically adopted the Western method that has been practiced in various different countries such as USA.
Okay.
Sorry, sir, I'm not.
Fine. So now coming to your hobbies, what are your hobbies?
So my hobbies are gardening and dancing.
Gardening and dancing. Okay. So what are the skill sets that you have developed from these hobbies, gardening and dancing?
So considering dancing, it helps in overall personality development and maintains the fitness that is very much required in this department. And considering gardening, since I'm very passionate about nature, I try to take. So I can't.
Okay. Fine. So, regarding dancing, who is your favorite choreographer?
So my favorite choreographer is Remo D'Souza and Saroj Khan.
Okay. That is contemporary dance, right?
So,
modern dance.
so their main dance form, they choreograph is Bollywood style.
Bollywood style. And your favorite dancers?
So my favorite dancers are Dharmesh, Remo D'Souza.
Okay. Okay, fine. So now coming to your choice of optionals. What are your optionals for this examination?
So my optionals are first is forestry and second is agriculture.
Forestry and agriculture.
Yes, sir.
And why did you choose these two?
So since I have done my graduation, post graduation, and I had the basic knowledge. So I thought of taking forestry, and secondly, agriculture is very much related to forestry, and the contents are almost similar.
Okay.
That's why it attracted my attention, and I loved studying forestry and agriculture.
Fine. Okay. So your knowledge of forest and agriculture, how will you put it into use in forest service?
So the forest service is all about knowing forest and the technical knowledge that I have gained over 6 years regarding forest and how to manage them and what are their components and what are the NTFPs found, which will very much help in managing the forest.
Okay, fine. Let us discuss some current affairs. You read the newspaper daily or you watch any news channel or YouTube channel for latest information?
Sir, I read the Hindu daily.
The Hindu you read daily?
Yes, sir.
Online or hard
No,
copy?
sir, offline. Sir,
Hard copy.
yes, sir.
Okay. So who's the founder or the founding editor of Hindu, and currently who is the editor of Hindu?
Sorry, sir, I don't know.
एटा जो भी पेपर अपन कहबे ठीक अछि कि जो चैनल भी कहबे तार भी डिटेल्स बात करबे कि फर्स्ट किए थे फाउंडर किए थे फाउंडिंग एडिटर ओके मे बी समटाइम्स फाउंडर विल बी डिफरेंट एंड फाउंडिंग एडिटर विल बी डिफरेंट से गुडा भी टिके देखियो यदि ओडिया पेपर कहबे सेटा देखियो
Yes, sir.
गोटे इंग्लिश ओडिया पेपर रे डिटेल्स बा देखियो
Yes, sir.
एगुडा सब अपन पढि छथि ना से जो इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस कोटा प्रिपेयर करिया कथा सेटा आपण पढिछन ना
Yes, sir.
तो से हॉबीज रे न्यूज़पेपर वगैरह सेटा टिके देखि देबे से पार्ट ये को दिन अच्छा तो इंटरव्यू
Sir, 8th.
8th. So tell me the significance of September 8th.
Sir, 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 I don't know, sir.
जेमती बर्थडे का आपण बात करिवे सेमती 8 सेप्टेम्बर इंपोर्टेंस तो बात करिवे
Sir, I know, but I'm not sure. World Labor's Day or Literacy Days.
लेबर डे का ओके एनीवे सेटा आपण देखि देबो
Yes, sir.
आपण नेक्स्ट काली जेतरे आसे आ
Yes, sir.
मेडिकल बुकलेट 1 तारिख रु 15 तारिख पर्यंत सेप्टेम्बर रे जेते इंपोर्टेंट ये अछि
Yes, sir.
which were it so सेटा okay fine so coming to current affairs you know about this Olympics is going on
Yes,
now one Olympics is going on
So, Paralympics.
Paralympics good where in which country is going on
So, it is currently being held in Tokyo, Japan.
okay fine so how many gold medals India has won till now
So, sorry, sir, I'm not aware about Paralympics.
but
So,
like we won one gold in Olympics we are very happy today we have won a gold in Paralympics today itself so who has won the gold tara details we have देखिए
yes, sir.
okay okay good so what is the reason that India is way behind in sports as compared to some of the other nations, especially even not going into European countries, China, our neighbor.
Yes, sir.
They are, always almost in top 3 of every international event. Even they rank 1 in Paralympics also. Okay, what is the reason they get so many medals we are unable to get?
So, there are many reasons responsible for that. So, first and foremost is that sports, still today, sports are not being given so much importance as compared to academic results and academic results. And secondly, due to the less availability of funds, as government is not working so much in the field of sports and thirdly. So thirdly, there are less infrastructure available for taking sports as a professional career option.
Okay. How that can be changed and what steps the government is taking?
So the government has taken various steps in this direction. As after getting a significant, for example, in Olympics, the players and the athletes who have gotten medals, they are given job security, and they are felicitated with various awards, which helps in generating awareness among people. And secondly, the government, the steps that can government take is firstly that they can encourage students that with academic they can take sport, they can take any sport and get trained in that if they want to take it as a professional career. Secondly, the schemes which government have taken they are very much required the schemes that government have made in this direction. There is requirement of proper implementation, proper ground implementation, so that every individual is benefited from it.
Okay. So, what is the main reason? Why Indians especially, okay, they do not see sports as a feasible career option. Maybe because of lack of support or lack of certainty, like the playing age of players is very less, except for, let's say, cricket and all, where they get very rich. So now the governments are giving a lot of monetary rewards also to sportsmen who are performing well. Do you think that that is correct? That should be done. Monetary rewards, huge monetary rewards should be given to sportsperson who are performing well.
So I feel that the monetary rewards being given is a way of encouraging their hard work that they have done for so many years, and have made India proud.
Okay. So, Government of India has invested a lot of money in Campa fund. You know
Yes,
what is
sir.
Campa?
Yes, sir.
What is that?
So Campa stands for Compensatory Afforestation Fund and Management Authority,
Okay.
which provides for all the plantation activities, and which are being taken in the direction for increasing the forest and tree cover, with people participation, and providing employment opportunities to the communities living in the forest fringe areas.
Okay. Fine. So now coming to your choices of service. So you have first choice is ACA.
Yes, sir.
So can you tell me what are the job responsibilities of an ACF officer or Assistant Conservator of Forest?
Sir, Assistant Conservator of Forest act as frontline defense, frontline supervisor,
Okay.
and he basically facilitates as the link between the divisional forest officer and range officer.
So what about his career progression? So after ACF, to what rank will he go?
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir, I don't know.
এটা দিয়া হইছিল না আপনার স্ট্রাকচারটা ସେ ଭିଡ଼ିଓ ଗୁଡ଼ା ଆପଣ ଆକ୍ସେସ୍ କଲେ ତ
Yes, sir.
ତ ସେଥିରେ ଗୋଟେ ଅଛି ନା ତାର
Yes, sir.
ତ ସେଇଟା ଟିକେ ଦେଖିଦେବେ ସେଇଟା ନୋଟ୍ ଡାଉନ୍ ବି କରିଦେବେ ପଚାରି ଦେଇପାରନ୍ତି ଏଠି ଓକେ ଫାଇନ୍ ସୋ can you tell me what is the reason that India and Nepal's relationship in the recent times has been under some strain? It was a very good relationship earlier, but now it seems that the relationship is slowly becoming a little bit difficult due to the involvement of China or the effect of China. Can you tell me what has Nepal demanded, which obviously India does not like?
So,
Is there some border dispute between India and Nepal?
yes, sir.
Mhm.
Sir, Nepal and India have shared a very cordial relationship in past histories, but compared to present time, there is strain they have strained relationship due to various factors, such as they have border disputes and
They have border disputes and
the developmental activities such as construction of dams, which are being constructed on disputed rivers.
okay. Who is constructing, India or Nepal?
Sir, India is constructing dam.
Okay. On disputed territory.
Sir, so there is a bone of contention regarding the area which comes under the rivers.
Okay.
Sir, I will read about it.
Yes. Okay, which areas they are contesting and which areas that you should know. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Fine. So I'll ask you a situational question.
Yes, sir.
Now suppose you are a senior, you have joined the OFS and now you are basically an ACF, okay, and the government has given you a very sensitive file, okay, to give it to a higher officer. Okay, you have been given that responsibility. While going, you are waited and you are in your car, only you are there and your driver is there. Okay, so the people there, 3 or 4 people, they threaten you that if you do not give the file to us, we will shoot both of you. They have guns with them. Okay, they are having guns with them. So in that case, what are you going to do? Will you agree to what they say and give them the file, or will you not give them the file and try to fight?
So considering the situation, first I will try to assess the situation and how and understand the gravity of the situation. After that, since I will analyze whether what type of arms and how much powerful they are. After this, considering the file is very secretive, I will try my utmost best to make them understand and try to listen to them for what reasons they are trying to.
No, they are criminals. They won't talk with you. So basically, they are saying that you give it to us, otherwise we shoot both of you. In that case, what are you going to do?
So since they are criminals, I will try to protect the person with me and myself. So I will give them the file.
You will give the file?
Yes, sir.
Right. So that will be the end of the interview. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
ठीक अच्छे आपनकर केतेटा जिनस हमको इंप्रूव करया पे पड़ो जोटा को लिखि दो छी आई कांटेक्ट ता आपनकर अराउंड 80% पाखा पे होछु मस्ट बी 100%. ओके ଆପଣ आंसर जोड़ा दउछंती बहुत गुडा आंसर आपन ठीक भी रहउची भलो कंटेंट अछि किंतु कॉन्फिडेंस ता आउ टिके आपन को ओके कॉन्फिडेंटली आंसर ता करिया अछि.
Sir, do my answers look mugged up answers like the way I stammer?
नहीं ठीक अछि स्टैमरिंग ता तो सेटा गोटे कारा सेटा क्रोनिक के पर कार सिचुएशन पर दबी की एंजाइटी भी देखता आपको मिरर इंटरव्यूज 2 आवर्स एवरी डे मस्ट अपन करे हम जो इंटरव्यू रा करिवे इनके नहीं 10-15 मिनट इंटरव्यू करके बहुत बड़े इंटरव्यू बंद नॉट दैट ओके इन मिरर इंटरव्यू माने अपना 40 मिनट्स इंटरव्यू करें तो 4टा इंटरव्यू करो तो कि जावे कि 3टा इंटरव्यू करो तो 2 घंटा ही सकते हैं बट इट शुड बी लाइक 40 मिनट्स एक्चुअल इंटरव्यू अपना को अराउंड 30 मिनट्स का बाकी ओके तो ये 10 मिनट 15 मिनट इंटरव्यू करो स्लाब है सो जे तो मिरर इंटरव्यू करिवे से तो 40 मिनट्स इंटरव्यू करें सो दैट यू विल इजीली फेस अ 30 मिनट इंटरव्यू
Yes.
मैक्सिमम मुझे कर तापर आई कांटेक्ट 100% how discrete information okay must be properly practiced. आज ये 200 marks to you will get around 120. Okay, that try करो तो 150 को आने आपनकर कोदिन अछि इंटरव्यू
सर 8 September
80 marks के भी अछि
सर टी
external
सर 5-6
you decided your attire.
yes sir
Okay, तो सेटा ही आपण को लिखि आसीबे सर. Okay,
yes sir
so stop.